Good morning, children. How are you all? Open Term 2 textbook, page number 146, EVS first lesson, Our Body. See, children, this is our body. There are many parts in our body, and each of the part has a special functions to perform. Our body can do many things. See, children, our body is divided into three main parts: head, trunk, and limbs. Our body also has bones and muscles. Children, do you know? We can see many of these parts from outside. For example, head, hands, legs, etc. See, children, first the head. The head is the topmost part of our body. See, children, this is head. The head consists of the hair and the face. The face has two eyes, two ears, a nose, and a mouth. See, children, we can see with our eyes. We can hear with our ears. We can smell with our nose. We can eat with our mouth. The brain is also found inside the head. The brain controls all the parts of the body and their functions. See, children, some body parts that we cannot see from outside. For example, brain, heart, lungs, etc. See, children, this is brain. Our body is a living machine. There are many organs inside our body. This is brain. This is inside of the head. The brain controls our body. Brain is very important part of our body. Next, the trunk. See, children, this is trunk. The trunk is the part of the body between the head and the legs. The trunk consists of the chest and the abdomen. Chest, the top part of the front of our body. Abdomen, the part of the body below the chest which contains the stomach and other organs. See, children, this is trunk. The part just below the neck is known as the trunk. The chest and the abdomen are two main parts of the trunk. Organs such as the heart and the lungs are in the chest. See, children, this is heart. These are lungs. Children, if you place your hand on the chest, you will feel something beating. See, children, this is heart. Heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. It also one of the most important part of our body. See, children, the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. These are lungs. The lungs help us to breathe. The lungs help in breathing. Organs such as the stomach and the kidneys are in the abdomen. See, children, this is stomach. The stomach helps us digest the food we eat. See, children, the stomach helps in digestion, breaking down of food. The kidneys clean the blood and remove waste from the body in the form of urine. See, children, this is our stomach. Our stomach is doing a very important job for us. The food that you eat from your mouth, it goes into your stomach. Then what happens inside the stomach? The food that you eat gets digested. The stomach stores the food is broken down and it releases acids to digest the food. So, children, did you understand? Next, kidneys. See children, these are kidneys. It is just like the shape of the beans. It helps to purify the blood, or it cleans the blood and remove unnecessary materials from the body. The heart is made up of only muscles. Next page. Next, the limbs. Our arms and legs are called limbs. See, this is arm, this is leg. The two arms and two legs are known as limbs. Limbs are connected to the trunk. Our shoulders connect the arms to trunk. We have two arms and each arm has a hand. Our hands are a part of a arm. See children, this is leg. Next, bones and muscles. Our body is also made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles are covered by the skin. See children, here bones, here muscles. Children, do you know what our body made up of? Yes, our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones and muscles covered by the skin. Bones and muscles give shape to the body. Children, do you know there are 206 bones in our body? There are more than 500 muscles in our body. Muscles are soft when we touch, and the muscles cover the bones in our body. How many muscles do we have? You know children, we have more than 500 muscles in our body. Which food items help the muscles grow? Pulses, milk, meat and eggs. And which food items we need to become our bones strong? We need milk and cheese. So, these are bones and muscles. See children, bones. Human beings have 206 bones in the body. Bones give our body shape, support, strength. Bones also protect different organs of the body. All the bones in our body join together to form a framework called skeleton. See children, this is skeleton. See children, framework. The basic structure of something. Bones give shape and structure to our body. The structure has a special name, that is skeletal system. It is a very important component of our body. This system provides protection to internal organs. So, it covers all the important organs. Next page. Muscles are attached to the bones. The bones and muscles together help the body to move and give proper shape to the body. Exercise makes the muscles strong. See children? Children, do you understand? Muscles are soft when we touch. Bones and muscles covered by the skin. Bones and muscles give shape to the body. Children, we have more than 500 muscles in our body. Which food items help the muscles grow? Pulses, milk, meat, eggs, etc. Next, posture. The position of the body when we sit, stand, walk or sleep is called posture. Children, what is the posture? Posture means the way you sit, the way you stand and the way you move. That is called as posture. Children, in the classroom, your teacher always tells you, sit properly children, don't bend your head, sit straight. So, because the teacher wants that you maintain your correct posture. It is important to maintain the correct posture to get a proper shape for the body. You should stand straight and should not bend your shoulders. Next page. Next page. You should walk straight. See children, this is correct way. This is not correct. Next, you should sit straight and should not bend your shoulders. See children, this is correct way and this is wrong. Okay children, in next page some exercises are there. See children, in page number 151 some exercises are there. First one, match the following. First one, see children, this is our head, topmost part of the body. Here you write number 2. Next, trunk, chest and abdomen. So here you write number 5. Next, bone, shape and support. Here you write number 1. Next, heart, pumps blood to different parts of the body. So here you write number 3. Next, arm, one of the limbs. Here you write number 4. Next, tick the correct answer. Our arms and legs are called lungs, limbs, muscles, bones. Limbs is correct. Human beings have dash bones in the body. 306, 206, 106, 202. 206 is correct. The framework of bones is called muscle, skeleton, limb, arm. Skeleton is correct. Bad posture, exercise, support the trunk makes the muscle strong. Which one is correct? Exercise. Exercise makes the muscle strong. Bones and dash help the body to move. Muscles, skin, nails, ears, muscles. Next page. Third one. Put a tick mark if the sentence is correct or a cross if it is wrong. First one. The brain controls all the parts of the body. Correct. The limbs help in breathing. Wrong. The stomach helps in digestion. Correct. Bones give our body shape and support. Correct. We should not bend our shoulders while sitting. Correct. Next, answer the following questions. Name the 3 main parts of the body. Answer: head, trunk and limbs. Name any 2 parts of the face. Eyes and ears. Next, name any 2 organs found in the trunk. Answer: chest and abdomen. Next, name the organs that help in breathing. Answer: lungs. Next, how many bones are there in the human body? Answer: 206. Thank you children.